Welcome to the Teacher channel. In this video, you will learn 100 common phrases in the English language. Let's start. Hello. Goodbye. Thank you. Please. Sorry. Excuse me. Yes. No. I don't understand. Can you help me? What is your name? My name is. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Where is the bathroom? Sorry, I don't speak. How much does it cost? I love you. Where are you from? What time is it? Can you repeat that, please? Nice to meet you. I'm sorry, I'm late. Where is the nearest? Can I have the menu, please? I'm lost. What is this? Cheers. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. Happy birthday. I'm tired. Where can I find a taxi? What is your favorite food? I'm cold. I'm hot. Have a nice day. I'm sorry for your loss. What's the weather like today? Congratulations. Can I have the bill, please? Do you speak English? I need help. What is your favorite color? Can I sit here? Where can I buy tickets? Sorry, I didn't mean it. Can you speak slower, please? What day is it today? Can you recommend a good restaurant? I'm sorry, I don't know. What is your phone number? I'm sorry, I can't make it. What are you doing? Can you show me on the map? It's nice to see you again. What's your favorite movie? Can I borrow your pen? Where is the nearest ATM? I'm sorry, I have to go. What's your favorite hobby? Can you recommend a good book? I'm excited. Can I have a glass of water, please? Nice to meet you, too. I'm feeling sick. What's your favorite music? Can you recommend a good hotel? I'm bored. Can I try it on? That's great. I'm lost in translation. Where can I park my car? I'm allergic to peanuts. What's your favorite sport? Can you recommend a good place to visit? I'm excited to see you. What's your favorite animal? Can you help me with my homework? I'm looking for a job. What's the Wi-Fi password? Can I have a receipt, please? Happy. What's your favorite book? Can you speak louder, please? I don't have any money. What's your favorite season? Can you recommend a good movie? I'm here on vacation. What's your favorite place? Can I have a menu, please? I'm not feeling well. What's your favorite TV show? Can you speak English, please? What's your favorite hobby? Can you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I'm busy. Can you help me, please? I'm sorry, I have a prayer commitment.